What's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Ranch Gang? It's your boy, Kevin Boris, back with another video for you guys today. So the big question that I've been getting lately is, did I end up selling the OG Demon to acquire the new Demon 170? Before we get into it, DJ, please do me a favor, hit that intro.
Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
All right, let's get right into it. So, in case you guys don't know, my Demon was wrecked in 2020 of October. Guy was high as a kite, fell asleep at the wheel, came all the way on my driveway, which my driveway is like 20 or 30 feet long, somehow managed to drive through my neighbor's yard, go through my yard, and T-bone my Demon. Why was it parked outside? I was getting my garage painted that day. Otherwise, it doesn't go outside. So, past couple years, I've been back and forth. Do I fix it? Do I not? Do I fix it? Do I not? And finally, I shipped it to Countryside Customs in October, actually, of 2022. So we're in May, so it's been there for it'll be 7 months at the end of the year, at the end of the month. So I've been getting it fixed. A lot of people were asking me, did I end up selling the Demon once I figured out I was going to get the Demon 170? To be honest with you, no, I did not sell it. Actually, I'm at FedEx right now because the guys over at Countryside Customs, if you guys need a badass, and I'm talking a badass place to get your Mopar or really any car fixed, whether it's like a lot of damage, not that much damage, whatever, these guys are incredible. So I'm sending a very large check. I don't know if I should tell you how much I'm sending, but I'm sending them a large check today. So I sent them one check however long ago. When was it? In January or December, something like that. So sending them the other check today, and then I'll probably end up sending them maybe two more checks, I guess. Hopefully not two big ones, maybe like two like smaller ones. But anyways, because I believe, so he said there was a couple cars in front of mine. They've been kind of gathering parts and getting stuff done. I told him, obviously, when I dropped it off, I don't need it immediately, obviously. Like, I'm in no rush. Take your time. I think it'll probably be done. And again, I can ask him later. He might watch this video. He probably will. But it'll maybe be done by the end of the year. If not, it'll be sometime in 2024. Again, I'm in no rush to get it back. Okay? I'm in no rush. I'm excited to see what these guys will do. What I am going to do, though, is when it gets closer, I would say probably, because I'm pretty busy from now until August, middle of August. So probably sometime in September, I'll probably end up and go fly out, if I can, to Chicago for the weekend, go meet some of you guys, because there's a lot of you guys that are kind of in that area, and then go check out the Demon, see the progress. And then whenever it's all done, we will drive up there with whatever truck we end up getting, whether it's TRX or 3500, whatever it is. And then we will put it on a trailer and we'll drive it back and make some content out of it. So I'm pretty excited to get it back. Obviously, that Demon is was a huge like milestone for me when I bought it. I turned 30, and being able to get that on my birthday was a big deal. So, and then to have the opportunity to get the Demon 170. Obviously, we didn't order it in yellow. It is what it is. They don't offer yellow, but at least we'll have the OG Demon, and we will have the new, faster Demon. So I'm pretty excited about it. Again, I don't know, when exactly it's going to be done. I'm going to leave it yellow for probably quite some time. I'm going to get the whole thing expelled on the outside. So paint protection will be on the entire thing. Paint protection will be on the windshield. If I could paint protect the wheels, I would, but so it'll be all good, because it won't probably end up powder coating the wheels. And then I don't know if we'll change the caliper colors or not. I might just leave those red, or we might do them yellow or black or something like that. I'm really not sure. So that'll be coming something kind of down the road. But I'm just excited that Countryside decided to take on this project because it is a large project, and obviously I'm a YouTuber, right, part-time. So this demon build will be probably one of the craziest rebuilds that anyone has ever done. I mean, obviously people have done like chargers and challengers and stuff, but to do a demon that was wrecked and kind of got famous on YouTube, right? I think my video had like 2.5 million views or something crazy. So I'm just excited to get it back. But again, I'm in no rush because it's not like I'd be driving it right now. Well, it is summertime. I guess I would be driving it. So, but it'll be so dope to start to take that to car shows again and drive it, you know, because when it's nice, I'll drive it. And then it'll be really dope when we go to car shows and events and races and stuff and be able to have the OG and the new one showing up. It's going to be a lot of fun. So, anyways, I'm not going to show you the check, but this is the check right here. I'm going to FedEx, which is right there. So we're going to go send this Countryside Customs. Short video today, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update as far as like, did I sell the Demon? No, I didn't sell the Demon. Again, I got offered, I almost sold it to Call SRT. I can't remember exactly what we were going to sell it for, but I think it was like, I think I was trying to get like 90 or 100 for it. And I think I got offered 85, and I almost was like, man, do I just take the 85K and then do something with it? And luckily, I'm glad that I didn't do that because I had no clue what they were going to be coming out with as far as, like, I knew it was going to be a Challenger. I didn't know they were going to call it a Demon. So luckily, I am able to, I secured one. It's black, not yellow. But, yeah, this will be it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting as always. And hopefully you guys have an awesome, safe weekend. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Make sure you're safe tonight if you're going out drinking. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go send this check off, and my bank account is gonna get depleted. But anyways, we are out this bitch.